So we're going to be going over exercise 4.19 quadrant in this video. We're going to be writing a static method called quadrant that takes two parameters in the form of doubles or decimals representing a coordinate point. Then we're going to return the quadrant number that point is found in. Now, even though there are four different quadrants, there can actually be a fifth answer, that being 0, if the point we're given happens to fall on either the x or the y axis. Okay, so we're going to start by actually creating the static method. So I'm just going to write public static in quadrant with our parentheses and curly braces. And inside these parentheses, I'm just going to be writing double x, comma, double y. And these are going to be the variable names for the two double parameters that we're going to be given. For the actual program, we're just going to be using a super simple series of if-else statements ending with an else statement. So when we look at the pattern of coordinates and their corresponding quadrants in the examples that are given to us, we can see that if x and y are both positive, then we're going to be returning 1 for quadrant 1. If x is negative and y is positive, then we're going to be returning 2. And if x and y are both negative, we're going to return the number 3. And finally, if x is positive but y is negative, we're going to be returning the number 4. So I'm going to start by writing if x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, then we're going to return 1. Else if x is less than 0, y is greater than 0. So else if x is less than 0 and y is less than 0. 3. And the last else if x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. Okay. Any other condition that doesn't fall into these four, such as if either x or y is equal to 0, that's going to be a point that is on either the x-axis or the y-axis. And in that scenario, we're just going to be returning the number 0. So we're going to finish this by writing else, return 0, just like that. Now, if we run this program, we can see that everything is good to go.